Hello student, today we have to solve some questions based on the standard form under the topic of exponent. Here, write the following numbers in the standard form. These A, B, C. These are numbers. Write the following numbers in the usual form A, B, C. Now we start to solve from question number first. Question first A. 7, 4, 3. This is number, and we have to write it in standard form. 7, 4, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 0. The value of this number should be 1 to 9. इसकी वैल्यू 1 से लेकर 9 तक होनी चाहिए. The value of this should be 1 to 9. When the decimal place will be here, because if you write decimal here, यदि आप यहाँ decimal रखते हैं तो this will be 7.43. This will be more than 7 but this less than 8. So first of all we have to change the value of this between 0 to 10, means 1 to 9. So the value of this will be 7.43. 7.43. The value of is 7. 1 to 9, क्योंकि 1 to 9 के बीच में लिखते हैं, क्योंकि स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में हम बता चुके हैं आपको. आई हैव टोल्ड यू हाउ टू राइट इन स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ लॉजिक. नाउ into raised power 10, decimal was here, decimal reaches here. So count the number of this here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digit comes to the left side from right. So number of digit after decimal, here decimal, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 place comes from right to left. So this is 6. This is the standard form of this number. Now take the B. What is B? 3, 0, 3, 0, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Solution. Equal to the value of this will be 1 to 9. Write decimal here. 3.0303. After this there is 0. So do not write all this. Count the decimal. Decimal be after here decimal. After this 3, we have to count the digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Into 10 raised power 40. This is the standard form of the C. C is 9, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Solution. Nine, 4, 5, 6. Now we have to write the standard form. You have to convert this the value of this should be 1 to 9. Less than 9, less than 10. 9.456. Here less than 10, but 1 to 1 here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 place into 10 raised power 11. This is the standard form, this is the standard form, and this is the standard form. Here you all of you can write the large number into standard form by following this. And I think all of you have understood to express large number into standard form of scientific notation. So let's start to solve question number 2. In second number, numbers are given in scientific notation or standard form. You have to change in usual form or general form. Question 2, option A. 2.5 into 10 raised power 2. Solution. Two point five raised power 10 is what equal to 2.5. Decimal place when we multiply a positive exponent, count the power. Power is 2. So decimal will go in right hand and place 2. 1, 1 and 2. This is 250 when we multiply by this. This is the 2 place. Power is 2. So it decimal is 1, 2. This is your answer. Question option B. 2.3577 into 10 raised power 6. Solution. Two 2.357 into 10 raised power 6 is equal to, here write 2357. What is the power? 6 place. Here what decimal? 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6. So after this 3 place is given, 3 part to complete the number of powers, the number of digits. So we write 3 0. Next, C 1.001 into 10 raised power 7. Solution. 1.001 into 10 raised power 7 is equal to, write it 1001. What is the power of 10? 7. So 3 places here. After this one, 3 places here, you have to write 4 digit. 1 2 3 4. Same place. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. This is the general form or usual form to express the standard form into usual form. I think all of you have understood this, how to express the large number into the standard form and the standard form into usual form. So I think all of you have understood and you can solve this type of questions from your exercise books. So it is sufficient for today, and you have a large period of time in lockdown, and you can solve many questions at your home. So it is sufficient for today. We see in next video with next topic and next question. Thanks for today.